Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to see your transaction history in Lobstr wallet. So for that you just need to log in your account and open the application, and watching your transaction histories is very simple process. So for that you just need to follow some of these steps and click on these three horizontal lines here, and now you can see that option is transactions. So that's it, you can click on that option and here you can see all your transactions history in Lobstr wallet. You can see particular in sent option, received and pending. If you have any transaction history, so it will be shown here. So that's how you can see your transactions history in Lobstr wallet. So there's a video, and if you found this video very helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.